Farmer John, Sustainable Seed Company. I am showing you some strawberries here in a hanging basket. Now you can buy these. I've started to see them at hardware stores for like 15-20 bucks, which is silly and ridiculous because you can get a hanging basket like this for about $3 to $5. And then of course the strawberries, this is actually a 6-pack of strawberries. They were $2.49. And for those of you who live in an apartment or a condo and say that you can't grow any of your own food, hanging baskets are a wonderful way. Now the one thing to look for in hanging baskets is a little water reserve at the bottom. That helps keep these moist because they like to dry up really quick. But you can already see delicious strawberries on the way. Enjoy life and enjoy gardening. Until next time.